How to delete SafePal account permanently. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete SafePal account permanently. So to do so, I'll advise that the first thing you should do is to back up your seed phrase. Okay, when you back up your seed phrase, even after deleting your account, you can always recover your wallet if needed. Alright, then if you've done that, move to the top left corner where you can see your settings icon and just click on it. Then after clicking on it, you'll be brought to your settings page where you see security, you see address book, note settings, etc. So once you can see all of this, the next step is to click on security. And so once you're on the securities page, you'll see options like pattern unlock, touch ID, auto lock, change security, password, etc. You would see that you won't see anything like delete my account or close my account. This is because you cannot close your account directly on your app. You can only reach out to the customer support to do so. And how is that? Scroll down to the last part of the screen and then click on support. And so after clicking on support, you will be brought to the support page where you can now reach out to the customer care. So yeah, you can now see submit a request. The next step is for you to enter in your email address. All right. So after entering in the email address that you used to create your account, scroll down and select how you will need help. All right. So this production error, security settings, then type out what the issue is, and then type out the subject, describe your issue, which is that you would like to delete your account, scroll down, click on submit, and then the request will be sent to the customer support of SafePal. Then a response will be sent back to you on as a mail to the email address that you've provided here. And so your account, the instructions on how to delete your account will be sent. So follow the instructions and you'll be able to delete your account. So this is how you can delete your SafePal account permanently. Thank you for watching and have a good day.